Island here. Got swept right into it, flipped over, ended their trip right here, 50 meters from the start. So there's the gauge house right there. Don't see anybody there. Creek that is. Nice and clear though. This water is definitely chocolate brown. This is like it was in Duncan Reach. See these guys all stop and say howdy. How are you people? Looks like we're going this way. And on to part 2.